Ever wondered how to quickly understand an ECG? In just 5 minutes, I'll show you the basics to confidently read any ECG. First, let's decode the ECG grid. Each small box is 1 millimeter wide, representing 0.04 seconds, while the larger box is 5 millimeters, or 0.2 seconds. The vertical lines measure voltage in millivolts.
Next, identify the waves. An ECG typically has P wave, atrial depolarization, QRS complex, ventricular depolarization, T wave, ventricular repolarization. Now let's calculate the heart rate. Count the number of large boxes between two R waves. Divide 300 by that number for the heart rate in beats per minute. Is the rhythm regular or irregular? Measure the distance between R waves. If it's consistent, the rhythm is regular. If not, it's irregular, possibly atrial fibrillation or another arrhythmia. Finally, look at the intervals. PR interval should be 0.12 to 0.2 seconds, 3 to 5 small boxes. QRS duration should be less than 0.12 seconds, 3 small boxes. Quick recap. To read an ECG, 1. Understand the grid. 2. Identify the waves. 3. Check the rate. 4th, assess rhythm. 5. Analyze intervals. And that's how you read an ECG in just 5 minutes.